Hey, Tornado fans, you ready for a really fun game? Woo! We have our little guys out here, part of the Farmers Branch Squirt Lightning, and they're going to be doing a shootout against their goalie, the Hammer. Are you guys ready to cheer them on? How about a little bit louder? Let's show these boys some love, some tornado love. There we go. Okay, number 4, Lane Jacobs. Let's hear it for him. Number 5, Elizabeth Spoon. Let's hear it for number 6, Chase Neal. Let's hear it for number 9, Jenna Rahi. Let's show up some love. Let's hear it for number 11, Sam Riddle. Number 13, John Nadu. Number 14, Andrew Mauser. Let's hear it for number 15, Jonathan Suni. And last but certainly not least, Dre